welcome back to today's video, which is actually going to be 10 tips, hacks for small wardrobes. So if you're a little bit like me, who has far too many clothes, then this video is for you, because this is going to really help you to maximize the space that you have. Let's all face it, we all probably could wish we had a little bit more space in our wardrobes. So check out my tips and hacks to help you with that today. If you are new around here, hi, my name is Claire and I make lots of videos like this. So if you like this sort of thing, please do remember to hit that subscribe button down below, because I'd absolutely love to have you. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so the first hack might seem quite obvious, but it's actually to declutter regularly. Now, I definitely want to put my hands up and say that I don't do this as often as I'd like to myself, but it's definitely important. So it might be best to have a box or somewhere close to hand. So if you've got space in the bottom of your cupboard that you could put these clothes, it's really good to do it maybe as you go as well, so not just seasonally, but as you go through your wardrobe. If you see an item that you think, I know I won't wear that anymore, just pop it in that box, and then you've got a box to pop to charity or pop on Vinted when you actually get around to doing that as well. So it's a really good way to sort your wardrobe out, is to declutter and make that space. What you could also do is do the one in, one out method. So for every new item of clothing that goes in your wardrobe, you have to sort out an old piece of clothing item that you will no longer wear, and then take that piece out to make space for your new item. So my next hack would be to really utilise that vertical space. Sometimes within shelves you get some dead space at the top, and there are some great accessories that you can buy that you can you really use that dead space that you're not using. So I've got a shelf that slides on the one above, therefore utilising that space underneath, you're able to pop in more clothes, more items or accessories or belts or whatever items that need a little bit more space, and you are not using that space. So it is a really great product. It just really adds to your wardrobe the dead space that you're not using. So I definitely recommend investing in some items, and it really makes the use of that space. One thing that I have done recently is actually invest in some slim velvet hangers. So I've got some black velvet ones, and this really saves so much space. My wardrobe was full of hangers that just came from the shops that I bought them, and so they're really bulky, and if I'm honest, they just don't look as nice. These now look so much more uniform, and it just makes my wardrobe look so much neater and inviting, and they just save so much space because they're slimline, so you're basically doubling your space, your hanging space within your wardrobe. They're a great addition to mine, so I would definitely recommend getting some slimline hangers. My next tip is to use dividers. Now, we use these so much within our kids' drawers. It's just so easy with their small clothes to get messy really quickly. So we find using these dividers really keeps on top of that, and everything has its place within its divider. I absolutely love using dividers, and actually the ones that we've got are from IKEA, but you don't have to buy fancy dividers. You could also just fold it in the Marie Kondo way as well. So making sure everything's folded really neatly, and then you're able to see everything. Opening the drawer, this just looks so much nicer and neater as well, and just able to easily find what you need. But I do personally like to use dividers. I think this takes it one step further, and it's just easy to find everything, and everything has its place, especially with the kids stuff being so small little socks. So I like to use bins for those as well, the kind of divider bins. Everything's great when it's got its place and easy to find, so I definitely recommend using dividers. So don't forget to utilise your door, and using door hangers or over door hangers. We've got these on all of our bedroom doors, and I have to say we definitely are glad we have these. It just gives you that little bit of extra extra storage. So within mine, I actually hang, you can probably see behind me, I've got a bag hung on mine, and that's got actually all my swimwear in that bag. So it just means it comes out of my wardrobe. It's not something that I use every day, so I don't need access to it all the time within my wardrobe, and it gives up more space within my wardrobe for items that need hanging. I've also got some bags hanging on my wardrobe as well, and then my kids have got things hanging on theirs as well. So it just utilises that space that again you don't use, and then gives up more space for your wardrobe. There are many space-saving accessories on the market that you can buy to help you save space within your wardrobe. One in particular that I wanted to share with you today is sort of the accessory that goes onto your hanger, and then you're able to add 3 or 4 other items within one hanger, and therefore obviously saving you lots of space because these cascade downwards. So we used to use these with Amelia's school uniform. Obviously you don't have to, it could just be t-shirts or other items that you want to hang within your own wardrobe or your kids' wardrobes. It's really great because it just gives you that extra hanging space as they cascade down, so therefore it's not taking up all the width of the space within your wardrobe. Don't forget to rotate your clothes seasonally. This is what I do, and it's great to have within your wardrobe everything that you can wear for that season, whether it be spring, summer, and then rotate for autumn, winter. It's great as well because this as well gives you another opportunity to declutter your clothes as you're doing that seasonal change. So as you're switching over, you will see items that you haven't worn that season, and it's a great opportunity to declutter them as well then. It just again frees up the space within your wardrobe for just the items that you're going to wear that seasonally, because you're not going to be wearing summer items in winter, and again winter items in summer. So I store these under my bed, but you can get some great storage bags that you could pop into the loft, things like that. Wherever you can, just make that space within your wardrobe. So I really love using the clear storage boxes within my wardrobes. I've actually got a lot of these within my actual makeup drawer. I've got some really lovely clear storage that sections out my makeup. Therefore this keeps everything together. I've kind of got all my lipsticks together and kind of my everyday makeup that I use as well within my drawer. This looks nice as well. Obviously as you open it, everything's divided into its sections, and it's just a really nice way to divide your stuff and keep it again all organised, clean, and everything has its place. So I definitely recommend getting some clear storage. Therefore you can see as well, if it's the bigger storage boxes, you can see exactly what is inside your boxes. You could pop maybe some clear storage boxes with your handbags in it for handbag storage, and pop this on top of your wardrobe, and therefore you're able to see exactly what you've got in it. So folding your clothes in the Marie Kondo way is a really fantastic space saving hack. I love folding my clothes and my kids' clothes this way, especially with bulky jumpers and things like that. You don't really want to be hanging these because they will take up so much hanging space. So the best way that I find is to actually fold them, and then fold them in the Marie Kondo way. Therefore you can still see everything you have, because if everything is folded on top of each other, it gets messy quite quickly because you have to pull everything out to see what is underneath. But the Marie Kondo way means you can actually see everything within the drawers, so it's easy to choose and not messy when you pull the item out. I really love doing it this way. It just looks really nice, and I just feel like it just looks nice when you open the drawer and you can see everything you need in one space. My last tip with you today would be to keep it tidy. So put things back in your wardrobe, and then just to keep it as tidy as possible, keep on top of it. Maybe you've got 5 minutes here or there just to keep your wardrobe and your spaces tidy. This really does help with maintaining the space within your wardrobe. If it's tidy, then you know what you've got, to choose, and you can see everything. But just keeping it tidy and on top of your wardrobe is a really great hack, and to save some space within your wardrobe too. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below what your favourite tip or hack was, or if you've got any more that you'd like to share, please leave them down in the comments below. If you did like this video, please do remember to give it a thumbs up for me, and subscribe if you haven't, because I'd absolutely love to have you. And then hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!